Hi. Okay, right now we are in the part 2 for solving our 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. On the previous video, you already found out how to solve or how to create a yellow cross. Right now, what we need to do, since we have a yellow cross, we need to find the right sides or corner for our cubes. Once we built or fix the cross, let's see if the corners are on the right side. Let's say this one. Yellow on the top. Green, which is here, but this one is orange. Let's try to put it here. Right now, green, orange, yellow. Good. So this one is check. Blue, yellow, but this one is red. So mali. It's wrong. This one, blue, good. Yellow, good. But red and orange. So mali. It's wrong. This one is good. Red, orange, yellow. It doesn't matter if it's flipped. The most important, the three main colors are in these sides. The top, left and right corner, left and right sides are correct, and the top. So in this point, we have this one, and this one is correct. It means that these two sides, we need to flip it. We need to interchange. So how we do that? How we gonna do? What we gonna do? Oh my God, what's my grammar? Okay, so if we experience this one, we have the yellow cross and the two correct sides. We need to put it in our left hand. Here. And then we need to perform the right algorithm. Focus. Okay. Right algorithm, this one. 3 times, remember? So this one, the correct side here. Right algorithm. Up, left, down, right. This one. 3 times. Up, left, down, right. 2. Up, left, down, right. 3. And then this one, the focus. Yeah. The white side, we need to put it in our left. And we need to perform the left algorithm. Focus, oh my God. Left algorithm 3 times. Left. This one. Let's move it here. What are the left algorithm? Left. Sorry. Up, right, down, left. 1. Up, left, right again. Up, right, down, left. 2. The third one. Up, right, down, left. We still have the cross, which is good. Let's see the side. Let's move it here. Orange, green, yellow. Good. Orange, blue, yellow. Good. So check. Blue, red, yellow. Check. Red, green, yellow. So tama na siya. So what if we encounter naman ay ganito? Like this one. Like this one. Green, yellow, orange, tama. Green, red, mali. Blue, red, yellow, tama. This one, mali. So what I'm trying to say here is, what if you experience like this, which is this cube? What you need to do? Same process. Write algorithm 3 times. Up, left, down, right, 1. Up, left, down, right, 2. Up, left, down, right, 3. Move your white here on your left. Perform the left algorithm. Up, right, down, left, 1. Up, right, down, left, 2. Up, right, down, left, 3. After you do these two steps, what you will have is this. Let's find out. Blue, red, and then red, green. This one. Red, green, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. So we will have the same as the first one that we solved, which is this one. Let's try. Because this one is wrong combination. We need to do right algorithm 3 times. Up, left, down, right, 1. Up, left, down, right, 2. Up, left, down, right, 3. Move left algorithm. Up, right, down, left, 1. Up, right, down, left, 2. Up, right, down, left, 3. Let's see right now. Orange, blue, yellow on the top. Red, blue, yellow on the top. Red, green, yellow on the top. Green, orange, yellow on the top. There you have it. You have a yellow cross and all the sides are in the right position. Same as this one. After this one, that's it. I mean, after this one, there will be a last stage and that's it. Okay? Thank you.